Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify W-8BEN forms for foreign vendors in Avalara, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify W-8BEN forms for foreign vendors in Avalara, start by logging into your Avalara account. Once logged in, navigate to the sales tax section of your dashboard. Click on Manage Vendors to access your list of vendors. Find the vendor whose W-8BEN form you need to verify. Click on the vendor's name to open their details page. Look for the Document Management section on the vendor's profile. Here, locate the W-8BEN form uploaded by the vendor. Download the W-8BEN form to your local device for review. Open the downloaded form and check the accuracy of the information provided. Ensure that the vendor's name matches the name on file. Verify the country of citizenship listed on the form. Check that the taxpayer identification number is provided, if applicable. Review the signatures and dates to confirm they are present and valid. Cross-reference the details on the form with the vendor's profile in Avalara. If any discrepancies are found, reach out to the vendor for clarification. Once you have confirmed all details are accurate, return to the vendor's profile in Avalara. Upload the verified W-8BEN form back into the Document Management section. Note any relevant comments or notes regarding the verification process. Finally, save any changes and ensure the vendor's status reflects that the form is verified. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.